Have you ever noticed how some men just seem to have a magnetic pull on women? It's like they possess this unspoken power, this undeniable charm that draws people in. What if I told you this magnetism, this aura of irresistible attraction isn't some mystical gift? It's a skill. In this video, we're diving deep into the secrets of attraction, uncovering the subtle tactics that make a man absolutely irresistible. This isn't about cheesy pickup lines or flashy displays of wealth. Get ready to unlock a new level of confidence, a new level of connection, and a new level of success with women. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first key to unlocking irresistible attraction lies in mastering the art of playful teasing. This isn't about being mean-spirited or condescending. It's about creating a fun, flirty dynamic that keeps her on her toes. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how boring predictability can be? When someone is too easy to read, too agreeable, it takes away the thrill of the chase. A man who can tease, who can playfully challenge a woman, injects an element of excitement into the interaction. He creates an emotional roller coaster that keeps her engaged, keeps her guessing, and keeps her wanting more. Imagine this. You're out with a woman and she's telling you about her day. Instead of just passively listening, you find a way to playfully tease her about something she said, adding a little smirk or a suggestive eyebrow raise. Suddenly, the energy shifts. She's laughing, she's blushing, and she's completely engrossed in the conversation. That's the power of playful teasing. It creates a connection that goes beyond the surface level, a connection built on shared laughter and a hint of playful tension. Remember, women are drawn to men who are confident and playful, men who don't take themselves too seriously. So embrace the art of teasing and watch as her attraction for you skyrockets. When you're genuinely enjoying yourself and having fun with the interaction, that energy becomes infectious, drawing her into your orbit. So, the next time you're interacting with a woman you're attracted to, don't be afraid to tease her, to challenge her, and to keep her guessing. Now let's talk about a concept that often gets misunderstood: the power of walking away. This isn't about playing games or being manipulative. It's about understanding your own worth and never being afraid to walk away from a situation that doesn't serve you. Think about it. We naturally place more value on things that are scarce, things that are hard to come by. The same principle applies to dating and relationships. When you're constantly available, constantly chasing after a woman, it sends the message that you'll accept anything she's willing to give. But when you're willing to walk away, when you're not afraid to lose her, it flips the script entirely. It shows her that you have options, that you're not desperate for her attention, and that you value your time and energy. Imagine this. You're texting a woman and the conversation starts to fizzle out. Instead of desperately trying to keep her attention, you politely excuse yourself and end the conversation. This does two things. It shows her that you're not going to chase after her, and it creates a sense of mystery and intrigue. She's left wondering, why did he end the conversation? Is he not interested? Maybe I should reach out to him. Remember, confidence is about knowing your worth and never settling for less than you deserve. So don't be afraid to walk away from situations that don't serve you. Chapter 3. The Language of Unspoken Desire. Now let's delve into the intoxicating realm of unspoken desire, the language of subtle seduction that can make her heart race without you uttering a single explicit word. This is where true mastery of attraction lies, in the ability to create a palpable sexual tension that hangs in the air between you. Think about the most captivating moments in film, the lingering glances, the almost touches, the unspoken promises exchanged through intense eye contact. This is the power of slow burn seduction, of building anticipation and desire through subtle yet powerful non-verbal cues. Imagine this. You're sitting across from her, perhaps in a dimly lit cafe or a bustling bar. Your eyes meet, and instead of immediately looking away, you hold her gaze for a beat longer than usual. A slow, knowing smile spreads across your face as you lean in slightly, your voice dropping to a low, intimate tone. You don't need to say anything overtly suggestive. Your body language, your eyes, the way you hold yourself, they all speak volumes in this silent language of desire. A light touch on her arm as you're making a point, a lingering glance at her lips as she's speaking. These subtle gestures create a current of electricity that crackles between you. This is about mastering the art of suggestion, of planting seeds of desire in her mind without ever having to explicitly state your intentions. It's about creating an atmosphere of anticipation, where every glance, every touch, every word is laced with unspoken possibilities. And trust me, when you tap into this power, the results can be absolutely electrifying. Chapter 4. Unleashing her inner goddess. The final key to unlocking irresistible attraction lies in your ability to make her feel like a woman, to awaken that primal feminine energy that resides within her. This isn't about treating her like a delicate flower or putting her on a pedestal. It's about recognizing and appreciating her femininity, her strength and her sensuality. Imagine this. You're on a date, and instead of just going through the motions, you're fully present, fully engaged with her. You listen intently to what she has to say, you make eye contact, and you make her feel like she's the only woman in the room. You compliment her, not just on her appearance, but on her intelligence, her humor, and her spirit. You make her feel seen, heard, and appreciated for the incredible woman she is. This is about tapping into your masculine energy, your ability to lead, to protect, and to make her feel safe and desired. When you can do this, when you can make her feel like a goddess in your presence, you unlock a level of attraction that goes beyond the superficial. This is the key to unlocking a level of attraction that's not fleeting or superficial, but deep, primal, and utterly irresistible. Outro your journey to irresistible attraction. So there you have it, the secrets to unlocking irresistible attraction. Remember, this isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming the most captivating, confident version of yourself. It's about mastering the art of playful teasing, understanding the power of walking away, speaking the language of unspoken desire, and unleashing her inner goddess. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to put them into practice. This is Stoic Guide. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay powerful, and stay in control.